Something up and something fun, all right. That was something. One of these times, okay, so when I'm up here, like, for real, when we're doing the show, and you know, you get the inspiration and you're moving like crazy. And I always do that one move, and I swear to God, one time I'm gonna come down on my Achilles. It's not gonna be, every time I do it, I'm like, playing Russian roulette. All right, you're late. Welcome, guys. Happy holidays. I feel bad. Should we do one more? Pages? One more? It's only supposed to be one. Yeah, let's do that one. Yeah, let's do the newest single. Well, one of the newer singles. Not the newest. Aren't they the best, guys? Wait till you hear the show. Probably my favorite song that I've written so far. I can say that easily. Well, everyone remembered seeing that bride and groom. It was 1929. They were on their honeymoon. And Steamboat Horn was blowing as they waved goodbye to shore. And no one knows what happened next when he closed that cabin door. Well, they showed up for dinner in the grand ballroom that night, and everyone could tell they'd been in a fight. But she was still wearing that diamond ring with the sapphires on the side, with her ribbon dress and her hair all a mess. The truth was hard to find, and they couldn't find one drop of blood as the paddle wheel pushed that Mississippi mud from Lebanon down the New Orleans. But it was way too late to turn around now. They searched everywhere from stern to bow, but she disappeared on the Delta Queen. The moon lit up the water, a chill was in the air, where they took that group back to his room and tied him to a chair. A witness said she saw him holding her out by the rail. Was she laughing? Were they kissing? Were they fighting? Were they proving? Well, you just couldn't tell. And they couldn't find one drop of blood as the paddle wheel pushed that Mississippi mud from Helena down to New Orleans. But it was way too late to turn around now. They searched everywhere from stern to bow, where she disappeared on the Delta Queen. They never found her body. They couldn't make the bed. so excited. How far did y'all travel? I know some of you. West Coast, North Pole.
Queens Avenue, Situate.
Situate's not bad. I'm close to Situate. Jamestown, Hope Valley, Providence,
Queenston Avenue.
Florida. Was it Florida? Well, thank you for coming. Wow. It's a hell of a lot nicer there than it is here at 28 degrees. Do you even know what a Coke is? No. It gets cold there. I have actually hosting and judging, or it's one or the other, I don't remember. Miss America is here in January, and it's in Orlando, so I was like, oh my gosh, I'm trying to get to Disney, and it's like 45 degrees, and I'm like, I'll wait till July. But thank you for being here, all of you, it means a lot. Then we're gonna get some pictures.